We are pleased to show you the 2016 500. The Fiat 500 offers exciting models infused with style, technology, and convenience features to make life on the go more personalized and comforting. And with so many original ways to personalize every Fiat 500, your individuality will be recognized wherever you go. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, electronic parking brake, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, power brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.